Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Squarespace for investor landing pages, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Squarespace website at www.squarespace.com. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. You'll be directed to a page showcasing various templates. Browse through the templates and choose one that suits your investor landing page needs. Click on the selected template to view its details. To start customizing, click on the Start with this design button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Apple account for quicker registration. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Squarespace website and log in. After logging in, you will land on the Site Management dashboard. Click on the Pages option located in the left sidebar. To add a new page, click the plus icon. Select Landing Page from the Page Type options. In the new landing page, add relevant sections such as a header, text, and images. Customize each section to convey your investment proposition clearly. Use the content editor to format your text and adjust images as needed. To edit the page title, click on the title area and type your desired text. Once you are satisfied with your layout and content, click on the Save button. Next, navigate to the Design option in the sidebar. Choose Site Styles to customize the appearance of your page. Adjust your site's colors, fonts, and overall style to match your brand. After making design adjustments, click Save again. Go back to the dashboard and click on Settings. Under Website Information, provide essential details such as your site title and description. Choose whether to connect a custom domain or use the default Squarespace domain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.